Well, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com doing a video here of the top 5 groups for you. Just to give you a feel for the market, we had a follow-through day. Not all follow-through days work, but it is a follow-through day. What do we always have to look for now? Always, and before a follow-through day, you've got to look for good stocks that have good numbers, coming out of good basis, and breaking out on good volume. So don't just think, oh, we've got a follow-through day, just buy everything. No, you've got to find things that are quality things breaking out a good basis. That's very important. So let's take it from the top here. Number 1 group, telecom services, wireless. It's hanging in there, group number 1. Moving up, here's the leading stocks in those group. Some of these will probably be on our list. We'll see what happens. But again, group number 1, and it's pushed just right at the 50-day. Here's group number 2, retail, wholesale, auto parts. Actually fell. Look at this. This is intriguing. It's a defensive group, right? Look at this. It actually fell on Friday when the market was flying. It's still hanging in there. It's group number 2. Here's the leading stocks in the group, just for what it's worth. So you can see it. Soap and cleaning preparations. Flopping around a little bit. It's a defensive group. It's hanging in there. Fell on heavy volume. Rallied back on less volume. Leading stocks in the group. Again, defensive group. Here's group number 4. Auto replacement parts. Another defensive group. The economy gets squishy. People hang on to their cars and fix them up. Leading stocks in the groups. Dorman actually looks pretty good. Group's hanging in there. Just hovering here right at the 50-day. Good volume on Friday. Finance, blank check. I don't know what to say about this. I think that's a bad chart is what I think. Let's double click on it. Yes, I don't quite understand that. Here's the leading stocks in the group, but we'll have to check on this, okay? But it's group number 5. Here's leading stocks in this group. I'm going to be very honest, I've never seen this group before. So we'll find out what that is. I'll give you group 6. Beverages, non-alcoholic. This, it came down here pretty hard, hovering below the 50-day and below the 200-day. Fell on heavy volume on Friday in a strong market, didn't do much. Those are the top 5 or 6 groups for you. VIP members get an interview here with our video with the top 25 groups. So just wanted to share this with you, and I hope it helps you.